Hello everybody, CJ Compton here at Falahee Road. Here just outside of Jackson, Michigan, we have a train coming. Check it out, roll it. This is the Eastbound train. This is Amtrak number 352. I looked on the Amtrak train tracker and it was going through Sandstone. Not only that, it was moving at 100 miles per hour exactly. It has arrived and departed Jackson at the same time as of right now. I don't trust it all the time though. It arrived at Jackson Station at 7:37 p.m. The current time is 7:40 p.m. So it is not far at all. It is only 3 track miles or 3 miles by tracks. It is currently just 3 miles west of here. Here comes Amtrak number 352. Here it comes. Roll it. And I will be at the Amtrak station in Jackson tomorrow, or more than likely. And like I said, the current time is 7:40 p.m. Eastern Time. Here comes Amtrak number 352. Here it comes. Roll it. I hear the horn. Here it comes. Roll it. It is about a mile west of here right now. Here it comes. Roll it. All right, I wasn't saying anything yet because of the horn. That is kind of, I mean, I should say that was cool. The engineer blew the horn to me. Usually it's Amtrak number 355, but this one blew the horn to me. Very cool to see. Anyway, that was Amtrak number 352. Last time I was here, it was canceled. I'm glad it was not canceled today. Anyway, Amtrak number 352 starts out in Chicago, Illinois, at the Chicago Union Station, heads east to Pontiac, Michigan, where it terminates. The current time is 7:46 p.m. Anyway, all on this Wednesday, June 24th of 2026, from CJ Compton on YouTube. If you haven't already, subscribe to my YouTube channel and give my videos a thumbs up. That will help my channel out a lot. And don't forget to hit the bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a video. I have to head home now, so I guess that's it. So it's what I hope you all enjoyed. And that is it. I guess I will show off the signal before I end my video. And once this car passes by, here's a good look at the signal. It is currently nothing but red signals. And the other side is probably the same. But I am going to head home now, so I guess that's it. So it's what I hope you all enjoyed. And that is it. I hope you all have a good night, everyone.